For language today, 5th and 6th graders, we are going to be practicing prepositions. I included this page, common prepositions, so that we could, you could actually see them about this time in class as the time that I would start telling you guys all the prepositions I memorized when I was your age. And I actually had this whole list memorized at one point. I don't have all of them, but a lot of them. So these are some common prepositions, and I gave each of you this page so that you could see them. And remember, a little phrase we have said in the past is a preposition is anywhere the mouse can go. And so in the past I've drawn you guys this little table. Maybe I'll just draw it on here. Okay, just go with it. Okay, there's my little table, and anywhere the mouse can go above the table, and there's our little mouse, okay? The mouse can go by the table, and here's a little mouse over here, and the mouse can go, here, give them some little hands and some little feet, huh? The mouse can go under the table, okay? All these words, oh, and they have ears, oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. Beneath the table, beside the table, above the table, by the table, all these places inside the table, near the table, beneath, between, okay? So anywhere the mouse can go is a nice little phrase to help you remember these prepositions, okay? And so prepositions, these are words that set off a prepositional phrase or begin a prepositional phrase. And a prepositional phrase is used to add more information and detail to a sentence. So you have some practice pages, and there's several of them today. So we're going to work on prepositional phrases, and you're going to want to do these practice pages, prepositional phrases today. All right. So for each sentence, what we're going to do is we're going to find the preposition, and then use that to find the prepositional phrase. And then we're going to figure out what is the preposition, and then what is the object that's inside the prepositional phrase. It's called the object of a preposition. All right? So if you need to, pull out that prepositional phrase paper, and we're going to start practicing. All right? Here we go. So the first one says, a man with a tall black hat rang the bell. Okay? A man with a tall black hat rang the bell. If you're looking at your page, you would notice that the word with is a prepositional phrase. Okay, when you find that preposition, then ask the question, what? A man with what? Well, a man with a tall black hat. That whole thing with a tall black hat is a prepositional phrase. And you see how it adds a lot of detail to that sentence? Without it, it would say a man rang the bell. Okay, it adds more detail. It says what kind of man, what kind of things he's wearing. Okay, so the preposition in this sentence is with, and the object, what is the noun there, is hat. What did he have? He had a hat. And then there's some descriptive words in between it. Okay, number 2, we walked along the old dirt road. All right, the preposition in this one, anybody? Along what? Along the old dirt road. If that prepositional phrase and that additional detail was not added to the sentence, it would say we walked. So it adds a lot of detail and interest to the sentence and a lot more information. All right, the preposition is along. What is the noun or the object? The road. All right, number 3. The clown with the red nose made balloon animals. This is the same preposition as sentence number 1. With what? The red nose. Could have been any clown, but it was the clown with the red nose. All right, so preposition. And then what's the object? Nose. Scott piled onions and pickled relish On his hot dog. Okay, where can the mouse go? The mouse can go on. On what? His hot dog. That's important. Otherwise, where's he piling his pickles and relish? My goodness. The preposition is on. And what is the object on what? On the, well, I guess we can put hot dog. Number 5, the red wagon rolled down the hill. Down. Down what? Down the hill. The preposition is down, and it's rolling what? Down what? What's the noun? What's the object? The hill. Number 6, the table was set for dinner. The table was set for dinner. For dinner. For what? For dinner. Preposition is for. The object is dinner. Number 7. Carter hit the baseball over the tall fence. Find the preposition. Over what? Okay, over. And what's the object over the what? The fence. Number 8, the school band marched across the field. Find the preposition. Across what? Okay, preposition. Across the what? The field. The girl with the green bow jumped rope. Find the preposition. This one we've seen a couple times already. With. Okay, preposition. With. With what? The green bow. The green bow. Number 10, a cool breeze blew through the curtains. Find the preposition. Through what? The curtains. Preposition. And the object. Okay, then you can make your own. All right, let's say, I could say, I sang with the choir. Okay, there's my preposition, prepositional phrase. We raced to the park. There's my preposition and my phrase. Okay, so you're going to practice this on the other prepositional phrase pages, the same exact thing that we just did. All right, if you're still confused, make sure you reference your chart and start learning these and being able to identify them without looking at your chart. But this is what we're practicing today. Call me or text me if you need any more help on this.